Today we're making a delicious warm spiced spirulina milk, and let's get right into it. We'll start with a half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger, half teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a pinch of black pepper, 4 to 5 cardamom seeds, and a dash of stevia powder. Feel free to substitute for a liquid sweetener, but we'll get into that later. Now we'll add all of these ingredients to a measuring cup or a bowl. Next, we'll add 1 teaspoon of spirulina powder. I'll drop the link below to where you can find spirulina just in case you have trouble finding it in your area. Next, we'll add a small amount of milk, maybe about 2 ounces or a 1/4 cup, just enough to make a slurry. Now, you want to use a spoon or a whisk to combine the ingredients until there are no lumps. But this may take a minute because we want to make sure it's smooth and creamy. It's a smooth and creamy mixture before we add more almond milk. Now, once you have a smooth paste, add 10 ounces of almond milk. I make fresh almond milk at least once a week, but I can always add the link just in case you want to make your own. I'm telling you, it saves so much money as opposed to buying in the grocery store, and it's a really simple recipe. I'll include the ingredients in the comment section as well. Now we'll add it to a warm pan just to warm it up. Now, since I've had my pan preheating, I'll turn it off or turn it down actually so I can prevent it from boiling. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Now for here, you can add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla powder for flavoring. If you're adding a liquid sweetener such as pure maple syrup or agave instead of stevia, you can add it at this point. Now give it a nice stir to combine all the ingredients and remove it from the heat. Now, one thing I get feedback about is the taste of spirulina and other seaweed products, which taste, well, like the sea. Yeah, it's green and earthy with a slight sulfuric edge. However, when you add the spices and the flavorings, it really has a pleasant flavor. And also, you can use the same recipe with sea moss gel. I typically have a cup in the morning before breakfast and in the evening about an hour or 2 before bed. It's so relaxing, especially in the evening. Now, have you ever tried spirulina? If so, tell me about your experience in the comments section, and see you next time.